So welcome back guys. My name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign, we go about looking at battery settings to optimize your battery on an MI device. Now the good part about this is that this is all natively built on an MI phone. So head towards your phone settings, scroll down until you see battery and performance. Here you can see there is a battery saver and ultra battery saver mode. So when you do a battery saver thing, you will see that like quite few many things get restricted. I mean apps, they get restricted. I mean background usage literally stops. All those things happen. So this is good. In the Mi phone you don't see things blanking off like on a Samsung phone. Actually what happens here is like that thing does happen, but it happens under ultra battery saver. So like if I do this ultra battery saver, you can see like only calls, messages and network connectivity won't be affected. Other than that, like all other things go for a toss. In fact, what happens is even the dark screen gets uh, like activated. So like it's almost like as if the phone is literally not much valuable until unless you decide to add certain applications here. So you can always add those applications and make them run even when the phone is on ultra battery saving mode. But you can also come out of this. You can exit of the ultra battery saver mode and then again come back, because we are not yet done. So there are a few more settings that you can look at. So under like this thing, okay, now we understood what is battery saver, what is ultra battery saver. Tap on the small little grid here, and this is more important. So I really think these are good settings which you should know in case you want to optimize your battery. So do you want the phone mobile data to be turned off like when the device is locked? So yeah, I will actually prefer that, maybe in not 5 minutes, maybe in 10 minutes. So that's totally on you. Do you want to clear cache when the device is locked? Yeah, maybe in 10 minutes I want it to be like cleared. So this all actually helps. So if you it's a 5G phone, like you can make it less power consuming. This is a Mi device. This is a Mi 10T Pro. Not all devices are 5G compatible, so don't worry if you don't see this option coming here. This is more important: battery saver, optimize system settings. So like you can turn this on. So basically all the background processes that are running, they will be monitored and they will be restricted. So this is actually good. I mean, this is almost like the power saving mode which we just saw back a few months back. So just activate all of this, and you don't need to wake screen for notifications. So like turn off battery, turn off when battery is 50% or fully charged. So like yeah, I mean this all of them will help in saving battery as it says here. So cool, like ultra battery saver and battery saver, they are basically the same modes which we just saw a few months back. But I really don't want to go ahead and now turn this on, because we have seen like how it is. Like there are only few apps that really run, and you can obviously add applications to it. Now you can turn off ultra battery saver automatically when the battery is 50% charged. So this is a good option. I mean, if the phone is say charged to 20-30, then you may turn this on, but when it reaches 50% you may turn this off as well. I'm personally not a very great fan of this ultra, like battery saving things. App battery saver is like you can actually check for the applications that you can decide to restrict background activity. So like this is a cool little feature in Mi wherein you can actually select apps and then select whether you don't want to apply any restrictions or do you want to apply certain restrictions. So you can restrict like after 10 minutes of background activity, or totally you can restrict. So it's all on you. So you can decide which apps to do what. So this is all there's to it. Also what I will advise is like there are few very power hungry applications like say Facebook, WhatsApp and all the messaging apps. They continuously run in the background and consume a lot of data. So maybe you can at least stop the background for those applications at least. So what I'm trying to say is you can head towards settings and then like here under battery and performance, uh, like you go here and then like app battery saver, select for the applications like Facebook, WhatsApp and other things. And for those cases at least like you can restrict the background activity. This can work a very long way in saving battery, because these are huge battery churners. So like they can consume a lot of your battery. So this is all there is to it. I mean, I really think this can make a big difference. If you have any applications that you have downloaded of late and like you think the mobile function is not going that well, maybe you can try thinking of uninstalling not them, maybe some other applications which are not in use. You see, basically you have one battery for this device, and it's being used for all the applications, all the operations, all the background activities. So in case if you can delete a few of them and keep the ones which you really need, I think the mobile overall performance as well as the battery optimization works great in that case. So that's all there is to it as far as like the native settings go for optimization of battery on an MI device. Guys, if you like our work, kindly consider subscribing. Please do share this with your friends and family. Do let us know in the comment section how you find this tutorial, and please do put this on social media. Well, if you have a device and if you want to know about features and hidden tricks or maybe something else like what we demonstrated today, do keep us informed so that we can invest in the smartphone that you have and focus on solutions that can help you and the wider community at large. So that's me, Amlan, signing off. Have a great day and a fantabulous weekend.